to close it, reopen it. This was our original model called a Box Latch Medium, and it worked on single wall boxes. We had a number of customers that said, hey, can you develop something that will work on single, double, and triple wall boxes, thus our Box Latch Large. Same thing, it's a kind of an industrial strength product. Again, it's put on in the same fashion and used in that fashion. When we developed that, we also created an anchor option where the anchor can be latched right to the box, simply taken off the box, leaves just a very, very small hole, and put back on that box or another box. It's been a very interesting challenge, and now we're at that stage that we're getting requests for products all around the world.